Today we are going to discuss bubble sort question, and in this question I hope you people will listen until end, because until end you cannot get the question. After learning this question you will be able to write program for this question. I will provide you algorithm and with program. Okay, now this is a question of bubble sort where we will given some input. The input is a set of values, an array or a vector in C++. We need to write this input into a format of output such that where the all the values are in some logical order. Logical order means either in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order means small to big. See, the values are increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The values are increasing one by one. And this in descending, they are decreasing. From 5 to 1, they are decreasing. This is known as logical order. They are forming one logic, right? Less than or equal to, less than or equal to. One logic is maintained in this order. This is the process. This is the thing what we need to do means we need to convert this input into this format by using bubble sort. Bubble sort means in CSC there is one good thing, like they will keep the names in such a way that we can remember easily. Bubble sort means observe in real life there is some water, and upon that water there are some bubbles, foam bubbles like that. How these bubbles will form a big bubble? If there are two bubbles, side by side bubbles, these two bubbles will form one bubble. Like they will merge or they will combine to form one big bubble. Like observe here. Wait, I will change the color. See here. These two bubbles will form, and these two bubbles, these two bubbles, these two bubbles. Side by side bubbles only will combine to form a big bubble. Not from here one bubble, here and one bubble. They will not combine. They are so far. Only nearest side by side bubbles only will combine. This is a technique used in this bubble sort. Bubbles, how the bubbles will combine. This technology is used, means not technology. This technique is used here. Okay. Now I will solve this example. From this example only you will get to know what is the process going behind. Okay. Observe carefully. What is a given input? 5 to 4, 3, 1. 5, 2, 4, 3, 1. See, I am doing first time. First time I am doing. What we need to do means I will explain here only. See, consider two values x, y, side by side only. Side by side only. If x is greater than y, x is greater than y means what? In x and y, x is greater than y, then keep as yx. Else leave it as xy. What I am telling is, for example, see 3, 2, 3, 2. 3 is greater than 2. Then why are you keeping 3 is before 2 only? Keep 2 before and 3 after. Observe this thing. If x greater than y, interchange. Okay. If x greater than y, interchange. Else keep as it is. They are telling is if 2 and 1. 2 is greater than 1. Then keep 1 before. Why are you keeping 1 later? Or else see here 5 and 4. 5 is big than 4. Then keep 5 later. And if like this 2 and 3. 2 is smaller than 3. Don't disturb. Keep it like that only. Okay. This is the thing they want to tell. Now observe here. In this we will start the process. I am doing first time. Listen carefully. I am doing first time. Now how the bubbles will combine? Side by side only, right? Side by side. 5, 1, 2. What I told, if 5 greater than 2, right? 5 is big than 2. Why are you keeping 5 before only? Keep it after. They will tell in such way. Now these two bubbles are combined. See, this is one bubble, bubble. These two bubble done. Now do next two bubbles. 5 and 4. 5 is greater than 4. Why are you keeping before? Keep it after. Just simply. Now compare these two bubbles. Now see 5 and 3. 5 is big. So again change. Observe carefully. I am changing these two values only. Okay. Now again check these two values. 5 and 1. 5 is big. So keep 5 at last. 1, 5. See, observe what we did. First we check first two values, next two values, next two values, and last two values. Okay. Now we came to end. We came to end means the process is done. We got 5 as very big value in the array. After completing first time, we got 5 as very big. So up to here, 1 minute, up to here the array is sorted. 5 is big, we got one value sorted successfully. Now coming to second pass, observe carefully. What is array? Now what we need to take this array as input to second time. Okay, 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. What we need to do? Simply see. First underline first two elements. Which is big? 2 greater than 1. 2 greater than, sorry, 2 greater than 4. Is it true? False. So leave simply. 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. Next underline next two elements. 4 greater than 3. Is it true? Oh, it is true. Now we need to swap these two things. Now again 4 and 1. 4 is greater than 1. True. So change them. Just interchange them. That's it. Now see, observe, we completed first pass means this is already good value. This is already sorted. So don't disturb that. You check up to here only. It is fine. Now we completed second pass also. What we did? First two values, next two values, next two values. Now we completed second pass. After completing second pass, see, two values are sorted. Now we will start our third pass. Third pass. Observe carefully. Third pass. What is the array? Now we need to take input as this thing, right? 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Okay. See here. First we need to check first two values. 2 is greater than 3. No. Just leave it. It is good. Again, 3 is greater than 1. True. It is true. So interchange. 2, 1, 3. I told that after completing two passes, last two values are already sorted. You don't disturb them. Up to here only you do the process. Now after completing third pass, see, third value also sorted. Now doing fourth pass. First, see, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. First two values. 2 greater than 1. True. So swap. 1, 2. So I told that by completing third pass, already 3 elements are sorted. Now first two elements also sorted. So totally the entire array is sorted. See, observe, this array is converted into this form, which is we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from these, observe some things like after completing first pass, last element is sorted. Means from last one element is sorted. After completing second part, from last two elements are sorted. After completing third pass, from last three elements are sorted. After completing fourth pass, from last 5 elements are sorted. No need of fifth pass because only one element left, right? One element is already sorted only. So if the given array is of size n, we need to do at most n minus 1 passes to sort this array. And from this, remember some things. If the element is greater than next element, what we are doing? Just interchanging means swapping those two elements. Okay, and see, in first pass up to where we did, the underline is came up to here only, right? In second pass, the underline came only up to here. Last two elements are already sorted. In second pass, last two. In third pass, we need to do up to here only. Means checking is done up to here only. In fourth pass, no need, up to here only. In first pass, up to where we did, the underline is drawn up to here. In second pass, the underline is drawn up to here only. Now third pass, up to here only. In first pass, first element only. Every pass we are decreasing one element, two elements, three elements, four elements. In this way, in pass by pass, we are decreasing the elements. I hope you understood. Now see the algorithm. For to decrease the time, I already copied the algorithm. Okay. Now we are starting the process with the given array. See, start and stop steps are common for every algorithm. Now I hope you remember this n. What is the n? Length of the array. In our case, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe carefully. These are the very important steps. What the thing we have done above, we are wrote it in the form of an algorithm. Now see, I value. How many passes we need to do? In case of size of 5, how many passes we did? First pass, second pass, third pass, fourth pass. Total 4 passes. What is the relation between 5 and 4? N minus 1, right? If the size is n, we are doing n minus 1 passes. So we are doing from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, clear? From 0 to n minus 1. Now again, what we are doing every pass? We are comparing side by side element. If this is j, what is this value? J plus 1, right? J and j plus 1. See here, you need to compare j with j plus 1. J with j plus 1. And we did one thing. What is this? We are comparing with these two elements, 5 and 1. If 5 is greater than 1, what we are doing? We are swapping, right? We are writing in this way, 1 and 5 swap. So if array of j value greater than array of j plus 1, what we need to do? Swap array of j with j plus 1, means interchange these two values. Okay, from this algorithm, once you understand all things, what we did? First we are checking first two elements. If first element is greater than second, just interchange, right? We did interchange. 1 minute, I will change one color and I will introduce those. See, observe here. See, underline drawn with this first two elements, next two elements, next two elements, next two elements, right? Up to where we need to do underline means this is j and this is j plus 1. 5 will not become j, right? Because no next element. So where we stop at the j value? Here only, right? Up to here only. So what is this value? If n is 5, what is this value? N minus 1, right? So in algorithm, how I mentioned, I will show you. See here, observe here. We need to do 0 to n minus I minus 1. 0 to n minus I minus 1. In first pass, what is I value? 0. Means you need to do 0 to n minus I minus 1. What is n? Here n is 5. 5 minus 0 minus 1. 4. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times only you need to do. In second pass, I equal to 1. What is this value? N is 5. 5 minus 1 minus 1. 3. Means in second pass, you need to do 3 times only. In third pass, means I equal to 2. What do you need to do? 5 minus 2 minus 1. 5 minus 2 minus 1, total 2 times. Means you need to do 2 times only. In fourth pass, 1 minute. Yeah, in fourth pass, I equal to 3. What do you need to do? 1. So means last time we did 1 time only, right? Observe this. First pass, how many times you did? 4 times. Second time 3. Third time 2. Fourth time 1. In this way, this time, this condition n minus I minus 1 helps us to stop the process. Observe here. In this example, first time we did 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we did. Second time 1, 2, 3. 3 times we did. Third case 1, 2. 2 times we did. Fourth case 1 time. In this way, that condition will helps us to stop the process. Okay, this is algorithm. If you want the program, you can copy from our description. You can observe same. These algorithms only written in systematic manner. Means syntax is followed. That's it. You can go to any blog. You can check the program. This is the program they written. And as I told, if you want in descending order, just in place of greater than, keep less than. Okay. If you keep less than, you will get descending order. If you keep greater than, you will get ascending order. That's it. This is a small trick. Just you keep in exam, if they ask descending order, you keep less than. If they ask descending order, you keep less than. If they ask ascending order, keep greater than. That's it. This is the thing which I want to tell. I hope you all people, all the doubts are cleared. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in the comment section. I will answer your doubts. Okay. Thank you for watching till end. For more videos, you subscribe and you watch and you share with your classmates. Okay. Thank you.